Hi, I'm Diane Lucas, and welcome to Book 101 Review. Book 101 is all about the books that I read for the last 40 years, and today we're gonna talk about The Promise of Psychedelics, Science-Based Hope for Better Mental Health by Peter Silverstone. Dr. Peter Silverstone is a physician, neuroscientist, entrepreneur, and author focused on designing and implementing new solutions to prevent and treat mental health disorders. He is the Chief Executive Officer and founder of Silverstone Health and professor in the Department of Psychiatry at the University of Alberta, where he recently served as interim chair. Dr. Peter Silverstone has been an active brain and pharmaceutical researcher and has received research grants and funding from a wide source of agencies, including a Canadian Institute of Health Research and other national and international bodies. He is the author of over 140 peer-reviewed publications which have been cited more than 3,500 times, viewed online more than 100 times, and he has AIDS index for research of 46 on Google Scholar. He is actively involved in other initiatives, holding board positions with a strong focus on community outreach to help reduce stigma around mental health issues. Dr. Silverstone trained in medicine at the University of London, England, before completing a 3 year residency training in psychiatry at the Maudsley Hospital and Institute of Psychiatry in London. He spent 3 years as a research fellow at the University of Oxford before joining University of Alberta in 1992. The Promise of Psychedelics, Science-Based Hope for Better Mental Health. According to Dr. Silverstone, we're on of the therapeutic revolution of mental health. The surge in knowledge of the brain gives hope to those seeking relief. From his first day as psychiatrist, Dr. Silverstone knew that there was a potential to better support individuals with mental health challenges. His career in the profession revealed the starting statistic. At any given time, about 20% of adults experience significant mental health issues that impact their ability to function, including the ability to hold a job, maintain healthy relationships, and practice self-care. There is a real impact on both practitioners and patients, and he has been determined to uncover it. Dr. Silverstone has dedicated his life work to following the science and seeking a solution to offer a new mental health treatment options for those who find current treatments ineffective. He has been focused on identifying innovative and multimodal options that are safe, effective, available, and accessible. Within this book, he shares how the mind and brain different, what's normal versus abnormal, and how this understanding has been the cornerstone of his pursuit toward new treatment options. Psychedelics hold much promise as a treatment of mental health disorders, thanks to what is known about how the brain and mind experience and react the psychedelics. Sometimes psychedelics mimic psychiatric disorder, and sometimes they can help psychiatric disorder. What is known and what is being learned about how psychedelics work on the brain makes psychedelics a very promising tool in the treatment of mental health disorders. In this book, The Promise of Psychedelics, Dr. Silverstone shares more. The Promise of Psychedelics, Science-Based Hope for Better Mental Health by Dr. Peter Silverstone is highly recommended to read. Do you like it? Share it and definitely 10 plus. More to come, people. Thank you for listening and see you soon.